Today, I'm going to show you how to make homemade pickled jalapenos. After washing the peppers, cut off the stem and thinly slice them. The reason I started making my own peppers is because I've noticed by reading the ingredients on the store-bought ones that there's a lot of unnecessary and unhealthy ingredients in them. So not only am I reading the ingredient labels a lot closer, I am buying a lot more organic foods. Smash the 2 cloves of garlic, separate the garlic from the skin, and then mince it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to see more of my upcoming videos. Add the water and vinegar to a large pot. Put in the sweetener, the salt, and the garlic. And bring that to a boil. Put the jalapenos in the pot. Cook them for a minute. Turn off the heat, cover, and let stand for at least 8 minutes. Fill a jar with a tight-sealing lid. Include some of the liquid. And this will keep in the refrigerator for up to 2 months. Thanks for watching.